See, now let's go to presentation. Okay. Today, this topic is really very interesting topic. But how to present it in English in front of public. Okay. Understanding all of you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, I have written already. Few examples are there. Just see. I hold this pen. Marker. My first point is, my dear friend, park is basically for entertainment purpose. Park is basically for entertainment purpose. There are many greenery parks in our area, like IG Park, Nehru Park, and Deer Park, etc. Because there are many parks, and a few small parks are there, few big parks are there, but these are big parks where many people they are coming and visiting. Many colorful flowers and animals, birds are there in this park. Okay, in this parks. Birds, small birds and colorful birds are there in animal. Animals are there, and it is also very interesting point for the public, for everyone. The next point is parks looks very beautiful. In fact, we are going to park for relaxation. We are feeling happy to see the parks. Do you feel happy or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are getting relaxation if we are feeling something emotional, sad or happy or something, excitement. So when we are going to park, we are feeling very happy. When we are getting relaxed. That's why, my dear friend, we must take care of these greenery parks because this park is the place where we can feel very happy, we can entertain ourselves, and we can meet the people, we can feel pleasant. That's why we must take care of parks, and maintenance is very very important for parks. Okay, so here this is the topic how I presented. Okay, this is the topic is for presentation. So I presented already. So here you must use your body language and everything whatever we have discussed earlier. Okay, how did I present and how to present? So every day you take small topic and get few points and start practice in front of mirror. This is the way. Okay. So thank you very much for listening.